Building a digital empire can be tough. Lack of knowledge is a major obstacle. Many people don't know where to start or how to create content that resonates with their audience. Strategically, it's hard to stand out in a crowded online space. You need to have a clear plan to grow your digital presence. Resources are also a challenge. You need to have the right tools and equipment to produce high-quality content. Many people give up on their digital dreams because they don't have the resources or support they need to succeed. Effective content creation is key to building a digital empire. You need to create content that resonates with your audience and sets you apart from the competition. Social media engagement is also crucial. You need to be active on social media platforms and engage with your audience to build a community. Leveraging technology effectively is also important. You need to use the right tools and platforms to reach your audience and grow your digital presence. Creating valuable content takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. You need to be consistent and patient to see results. Engaging with your audience is also important. You need to respond to comments and messages to build a relationship with your audience. Using the right technology can also save you time and effort. You need to find the tools that work best for you and your audience. Mastering your digital game is not just about creating content and engaging with your audience. It's about having a unique perspective and approach that sets you apart from the competition. Having a unique voice and style can help you stand out in a crowded online space. Focusing on quality over quantity is also important. You need to create content that is high quality and valuable to your audience. Building a digital empire takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. You need to be consistent and patient to see results. Creating a community around your digital presence is also important. You need to engage with your audience and build a relationship with them. Having a clear plan and strategy is also crucial. You need to know what you want to achieve and how you're going to get there. If you're struggling to build your digital presence, let me know in the comments below what your biggest challenges are. And don't forget to tune in to my next video for more tips on how to master your digital game. Hi there, content creators and digital strategists. Looking to boost your content game and stay ahead in the fast-evolving digital landscape? Follow practical digital strategies for expert tips, actionable insights, and industry updates tailored just for you. Here's what you'll gain by following us. Proven digital strategies that drive measurable results, expert advice on creating content that connects and converts, efficiency tips to save time and maximize ROI. Stay updated with cutting-edge trends to keep your strategies fresh. Connect with a thriving community of professionals just like you. Don't miss your chance to unlock actionable insights that transform your digital strategy and supercharge your results. Follow practical digital strategies today. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. It's a wrap.